So we are going to look at how to multiply decimals fluently. So that's our objective, multiply decimals fluently. Let's go ahead and look at the example on page 9. We have a map there, and the map is 2.5 feet by 3.25 feet. So I'm going to draw a model on my notes. 2.5 feet by 3.25 feet. Okay, let's look at what the question's asking. What is the area of this unique map? Use the formula A equals L times W. So area equals length times width to find the area of the map. So when we are multiplying, the first thing we are going to do is multiply as if these numbers are whole numbers. So I'm going to put that right there. Multiply as if these numbers are whole numbers. So that just means I'm going to line these up as if they do not have a decimal point. So I'm going to put 325 on top and 25 on the bottom and multiply as if they do not have decimal points. So 5 times 5 is 25, and I carry my 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, carry my 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. I'm going to add in my placeholder 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Put my 0, put my 1 up here. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm going to add these up. And I will have 5, 2, 11, carry my 1, 8. So the next step that I'm going to do, I need to see how many place values are behind my decimal point. So I am going to check the number of decimal places behind my decimal points. So both numbers. So in 3.25, I have 2 spaces, and 2.5, I have 1. So a total of 3 spaces. So that means for my number, 8125, I'm going to move my decimal place 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 8.125. And that's how we do our multiplying with decimals. Let's try one more from the practice page. So I have the problem 7 times 0.5. Now I'm going to multiply this as if I do not have any decimals. So I'm going to do 5 times 7 is 35. Now, how many spaces do I have? I have one space. So I am going to move my decimal over one time. So my decimal starts out behind the 5. I'm going to move it over once. So my answer is going to be 3.5. Okay, so I want you to think about what were the main things that we need to remember for multiplying decimals, and you're going to put that in your summary. Have a great day. I will see you in small groups.